Navigating the NDIS application process, a step-by-step guide. Accessing the National Disability Insurance Scheme or NDIS in Australia involves several steps to ensure individuals with disabilities receive the necessary support and services. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for access to the NDIS. Number 1. Determine eligibility. Confirm your eligibility for the NDIS by assessing whether you meet the eligibility criteria. Generally, you must be under 65 years of age, be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or hold a protected special category visa. Have a permanent disability that significantly impacts your ability to participate in everyday activities. Number 2. Gather relevant information. Collect information about your disability, including medical reports, assessments, diagnoses, and any relevant documentation that supports your application. Document how your disability affects your ability to perform daily activities and participate in the community. Number 3. Contact the NDIS. Contact the National Disability Insurance Agency or NDIA, which manages the NDIS, to request an access request form. You can apply for access to the NDIS up to 6 months before you turn 65, if you meet the eligibility criteria. Number 4. Complete the access request form. Fill out the access request form provided by the NDIA. Provide accurate and detailed information about your disability, functional impairments, and support needs. Attach supporting documents and evidence that demonstrate your eligibility for the NDIS. Number 5. Submit your application. Submit your completed access request form and supporting documents to the NDIA. You can submit your application online through the NDIS website, by mail, or in person at an NDIA office. Number 6. Await NDIS assessment. The NDIA will review your application and assess whether you meet the eligibility criteria for the NDIS. You may be contacted by an NDIA representative for further information or clarification during the assessment process. Number 7. Attend NDIS planning meeting if required. If your application is successful, you'll be invited to attend a planning meeting with an NDIS planner or local area coordinator or LAC. During the planning meeting, discuss your goals, needs, and preferences for support services and develop a personalized NDIS plan. Number 8. Review and approve NDIS plan. Review the draft NDIS plan developed during the planning meeting. Provide feedback and make any necessary changes to ensure the plan accurately reflects your support needs and goals. Once finalized, approve your NDIS plan and sign the agreement. Number 9. Access NDIS support and services. Once your NDIS plan is approved, you can begin accessing funded supports and services as outlined in your plan. Work with your chosen service providers to implement your plan and achieve your goals. Number 10. Review your NDIS plan annually to assess your progress, review goals, and make any necessary adjustments. Contact the NDIA if your circumstances change or if you require additional support. By following these steps, you can apply for access to the NDIS and access the support and services you need to enhance your quality of life and achieve your goals despite disability-related challenges. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.